Alright, so I needed a air compressor, portable one that I could just bring out here and pump up these tires until I get them fixed. So I picked up the Ryobi portable compressor. Now, I already watched a bunch of videos on how to do this. Alright, so it comes with the storage for attachments in here, and just put the battery in and we can begin working. So we just power it on. Let's see. Alright, so now let's see if we can set, we can set the PSI at top number. So I'm going to set it to 20. I don't remember what the PSI was setting for these tires. I have a fully charged battery. So right now it's showing it's 5.5 PSI. Okay, and it set it right to 20. That's really cool. I'll make it go a little bit higher. Oh no, what's going on here? It's like the Schrader valve. Oh, I don't know if I have my Schrader valve thingy. Dang it. Let's see, let's power this off. There's always a problem. Let's see here, maybe it's just time I order new tires and wheels for this. Okay, I don't have my Schrader valve tool, but I do have a small pair of hemostats, which may work. Okay, so I just had to play with the valve, so it looks like it's okay. That's good. So these tires say inflate to 12 PSI. That is nifty. Super nifty. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this. Let's see here. Still 3 bars. So yeah, that's a good deal. And we just wrap the cord around. And put this guy on here. Now it's ready for the next time. And then when you're done, just power off. Here we go. Yeah.